Why are you both here together? Marco, you told me that you were out with Drew.
Leah, just let me talk.
Leah, please, it's not easy to say.
Say what? What could plausibly explain this?
This is not normal.
Ma'am Eva, everything okay?
I don't think so. Something happening inside Leah's house.
I'm sorry. Celine and I have been for a month.
Months? You used my home as a place to lie to me.
Leah, I didn't want to hurt you.
You did! You both did!
I heard you shouting what happened.
Celine, don't tell me it's true.
I'm sorry, ate.
Bro, what is wrong with you?
I fell in love with Celine. It wasn't supposed to happen.
You could have left me. You could have told me the truth. But you chose betrayal under my own roof!
Betrayal inside the home. It is a kind of pain of stay in a wall of years. Ate Leah, you don't deserve this.
Tell me, how long were you planning to lie to me?
He didn't know how to end it.
You already did, the moment you chose her.
Leah, I swear I still care about you.
Don't touch me! You used my house, my kindness, my trust. You threw it away!
You don't have to stay here tonight. We'll live together.
No, I'm the one leaving. I'm not leaving because I'm weak. I'm leaving because this two doesn't deserve to share a space with me.
Leah, wait. Please don't leave without hearing the truth.
What other truth?
Marco didn't betray you first.
What? What are you talking about?
Tell her, Kanji. Tell her what you told to Marco.
Celine, don't you dare.
Leah, Kenji told me that you and him were getting close.
What? Kenji, why would you say that?
Leah, listen. I only said that because Marco was already acting this time. I thought it was going to hurt you first, so I...
So you lied. And because of that lie, Marco believed that Leah didn't love him anymore. Leah, we're not saying what we did was right. But you need to know the full truth.
All this time, everyone was lying to me. Not just Marco, not just Celine, but even you, Kenji.
Leah, please forgive me. I didn't think my words would lead to this.
Betrayal wasn't just in my home, it was everywhere. From the people I trusted the most. I'm still living, but not just because of one betrayal. Because all of you made choices that hurt me. I'll heal, but I'll heal away from all of you.
Even a broken heart cannot fight new home.
I'll build my own this time.
Marco, why are you here again? You've been coming every night.
I just want to explain. I just want her the truth, the real truth.
You already told her everything, didn't you?
Kenji, you haven't eaten in days. You regret what you did. I know that.
It's not just a regret, Rhea. It's fear.
Fear of what?
Fear that the truth will finally come out.
What truth? Did everything already fall apart?
No, not everything.
1 week, 7 nights alone, 7 days trying to understand why people lie, and why betrayal feels heavier when it comes from the heart.
Marco, that's enough. You move up for our son.
Eva, I broke her because she needs to know something.
Who's knocking?
Nangyari ang prestasi.
Celine? Why are you here?
Because I need to tell you the truth. The truth I kept from you from the past.
Everything was already revealed.
No, part of the story is still missing.
Then say it. Tell me everything. Let's talk inside. Please, take a seat.
Leah, I didn't fall in love with Marco because of his life.
Then why?
Because Marco told me that you were hiding something from him.
Me? Hiding what?
He said you were planning to leave him a message.
What message?
Messages from someone else. He said you were talking to someone he didn't know about.
I wasn't talking to anyone, Celine.
That's what I was afraid of.
Leah, don't listen to her. Leah, please open the door. Leah, you need to hear it from me.
Hear what?
Message is the one I told Celine about. The one that made her think you wanted to leave. They weren't real.
What?
I made them up.
You lied about me?
Leah, I'm so sorry. I thought you didn't love him anymore. Marco told me
I twisted the truth so I Celine would go closer to me. So she would believe I wasn't searching so I didn't want to. Yes.
So, Kenji lied, but you lied even more. Destroyed me, then destroyed Celine, then blame Kenji.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, you're not sorry. You're just caught.
I would never love Marco if I knew he lied about you. You're the only person I'm ever trusted. Please don't hate me.
I don't hate you. I pity you. Because he is both.
Leah, please.
I'm done. Both of you, leave.
Please, we can fix.
You broke me using a lie invented. There's no fixing that.
Let's go, Marco. She deserves peace.
Leah, I found something in your old house. Something you need to see.
What now, Kenji? Another lie?
No, this is from your mother.
My mom wrote this before she died.
I think this letter might change everything.